are doing questions on Vedica method. Let's see these questions. X square plus 1, x minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 0, anything you can solve. This one, and let's say here sign, it is minus sign. So how will you solve this question? First of all, make coefficient of x positive here, coefficient highest power. So it is already coefficient of x square is positive, so write down as it is. Now here coefficient of x is positive, so write down as like this. Take minus sign from here, so it will be minus here, and this is x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. Okay. Now there is a minus sign here, so multiply both sides by minus sign. So the inequality will be like this one: x square plus 1 x minus 1 into x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. If we multiply both sides by minus sign, inequality will be changed. Now find out roots of the every factor. Here it is already factorized. It is already factorized. This cannot be factorized because its root will be non-real. See here, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So from here x equal to 1, from here x equal to minus 2, from here no root, no real root, no real root. This is not giving me a real root, and real roots we are getting from these two factors. Right? So x square plus 1 is not giving the real roots, so we can leave this expression. So we can write as like this one: x minus 1 into x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. We can leave that one. We can leave that expression which is giving non-real roots. So the answer for this one will be same for this inequality. So finally, mark the root on number line in increasing order. So x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 1, these are the roots. Now after that make plus sign in the rightmost interval. Then you can make sign here according to the factor which is giving root x equal to 1. What is to be considered? Check the power of the factor. Here x minus 1 to the power is what? Power is 1. So odd power. So in case of odd power, we change the sign. Here it is what? Plus sign. So here you have to make minus sign here. In case of odd power, sign will change. In case of even power, sign will not change. So now see here in sign in this interval. So x is equal to minus 2 root came from this factor, and this factor has power what? 1. 1 is odd number, so again sign will change. Here it is minus sign, so here it will be what? Plus sign again. Now make the sign, make the wave as like this one, this type. Here 1 and 2, you have to check whether these two roots are satisfying the inequality or not. If you put x equal to 1 here, x equal to 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. 0 into any number is what? 0. 0 is greater than or equal to 0. 0 is greater than or equal to 0, this is true. That means x equal to 1 will satisfy this inequality. X is equal to minus 2 will also satisfy this inequality. Put x equal to minus 2 here, it will be 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0 is true. So these two numbers also satisfying the inequality. Now finally, after simplification, we got this inequality greater than or equal to 0. So we have to collect positive intervals and roots which are satisfying. So collect positive intervals. So it will be what? Minus infinity to minus 2. Here it will be closed bracket because minus 2 root is also satisfied. Union, then 1 to infinity. So this is our answer in this case. Answer for this inequality will be same for this inequality. The factor which is not giving real roots, but first of all you have to make the coefficient of highest power positive. Coefficient of factor of the highest power positive. If it is giving non-real root, then that expression you can omit the expression. Now if we want to solve this one less than 0, let's say we want to solve this one, then what will be your answer? We have wave will be same. There 1 and minus 2. If we want to solve this inequality, this will be what? X square plus 1 and x minus 1 into x plus 2 multiply minus sign, it will be greater than 0. Now x square plus 1 is giving non-real root, so we can leave this expression, and answer for this one will be same as answer for this one. Now mark the roots on number line. So roots will be what? Minus 2 and 1. So these are the roots. Now take plus sign here, and after that here it will be minus sign because here power is odd power. Again here sign will be positive because minus 2 root came from this factor, and this factor has power what? Odd power. So sign will again change. 1 and minus 2 will not be included because here inequality is greater than 0. If you put x equal to 1 here, it will be 0. 0 into any number is 0, and 0 greater than 0 will not satisfy. If you put x equal to 1, you will get 0 greater than 0, and any number cannot be greater than by itself. So this is not true. So 1 and minus 2 also will be excluded. So wave will be like this one. So what will be the answer? Minus infinity. We have to collect what? Greater than 0. So minus infinity to minus 2, here it will be open bracket because minus 2 is not included. Union 1 to infinity. So this is your answer in this case. Now take another example. Let's say we want to solve this inequality greater than or equal to 0. Here x square minus 9. Let's say we want to solve this inequality. First of all, factorize each term. So this is linear term, and this is quadratic. So you can factorize this one as x minus 3 into x plus 3. This cannot be factorized because it is giving imaginary roots. So leave that expression. Now write down as this one, x plus 2 minus sign greater than or equal to 0. This one. take minus sign from here, you can write this one. Leave that expression because x square plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus 1 cannot be 0. It will never give real roots. So you can leave that expression. Now multiply by minus sign both sides. So it will be x minus 1 into x plus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 3 less than or equal to 0. If you multiply both sides by minus sign, it will be less than or equal to 0. Now find out roots of every factor. X minus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0, and x plus 3 is equal to 0. Roots will be what? Roots will be x equal to 1, minus 2, 3 and minus 3. These are the roots. Now mark on the number line in increasing order. So it will be minus 3, minus 2, 1 and 3. These are the roots. Make positive sign here, and after that mark the sign here. See, 3 came from this factor, and this factor has power 1 odd power, so sign will change here like this one. Again sign will be according to, in this interval, according to the root 1. Root 1 came from this factor x minus 1, and x minus 1 has power 1, so sign will again change here, minus sign, then it will be plus sign. Again sign here you have to make according to the factor. This one x plus 2, because minus 2 root came from x plus 2. X plus 2 power is what? 1, that is odd power, so sign will again change here, plus sign, so make here minus sign. Minus 3 came from this factor, and this factor has power 1, so it will be what? Plus sign. Now it is given less than or equal to 0, so which root included or excluded, we have to see. Denominator, if you put x equal to 3 here, so 3 minus 3 will be 0. 0 in denominator, that is not possible. So we have to exclude this number. 3 will not be included because it make denominator equal to 0. Now 1, check 1. If you put x equal to 1 here, it will be 0. 0 into any number is 0. So 0 less than or equal to 0, this is true. That means 1 will be included. X equal to 1, if you put in this whole expression x equal to 1, it becomes 0. And 0 less than or equal to 0 is 2. So included. Put minus 2. Minus 2, put in every expression x equal to minus 2. And if you put x equal to minus 2, the whole thing will become 0. So 0 less than or equal to 0, this is also true. So minus 2 is also included. Now put minus 3. So if you put here minus 3, it makes determinant 0. In denominator cannot be 0. So putting minus 3 in denominator, it is what? Expression between 0 in denominator, so we have to exclude this number. So this is not included. Now make the sign according to the positive or negative interval. This is included. So this is positive, this is negative, this is positive. Finally we have to collect what? Less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0 means negative intervals. Negative interval is what? Negative interval is marking minus 3 to 2, then 1 to 3. So answer is finally x belongs to minus 3 to 2, close bracket. Minus 3 is not included, 2 is included, union, then 1 to 3. 3 is not included, 1 is included. So this is our answer in this case. Now let's say we want to solve this greater than 0. The same process will be same. Here we have to make greater than 0. Here we have to make less than 0. Now in this case, in this case, if you 3 and minus 3 came from denominator factor, so it will not these roots will not be included because they are not satisfying the inequality. And check 1 and minus 2. If you put 1 x equal to 1 in this whole expression, it will become 0, and 0 less than 0, it will not satisfy. So this number also be excluded. So this is what this is excluded, and this is what this is excluded. These two numbers will be also excluded because here it is given less than 0. So now we have to collect which interval. Less than 0 means negative interval. Collect the negative interval. What will be the answer? X belongs to, answer will be x belongs to minus 3 to minus 3 to minus 2, minus 3 to here minus 2, union 1 to 3. This will be the answer for this case. Answer for this one will be same as like this inequality. Now let's say solve for this one, less than or equal to 0. So here it will be what? Less than or equal to 0. Here it will be what? Greater than or equal to 0. So now check, wave will be same. Positive, negative will be same because we haven't changed any powers of the factors. So wave will be same. But in this case we have to check roots whether they are satisfying or not. So put my x equal to 3 here. It is coming from denominator, so it will not satisfy. Denominator cannot be 0. So if you put x equal to 3 in the whole expression, so this expression becomes 0 in denominator, so it will not satisfy the inequality, so it will be excluded. Now put x equal to 1 in the whole expression. So left hand side will be 0, and 0 greater than or equal to 0, it is true, so it will be what? Included. Now put x equal to minus 2 in the whole expression. If you put x equal to minus 2 here in whole expression, it will be what? Minus 2 minus 1 and minus 2 plus 2 and minus 2 minus 3 and minus 2 plus 3. See here, this is what this becomes 0, and 0 into any number is always 0. So 0 greater than 0 it is coming. So it is true for x equal to minus 2. Now put x equal to minus 3. Minus 3 came from denominator, so it will not include this root because in denominator 0 cannot be 0. So this will be excluded. Now collect the positive intervals greater than or equal to 0 means we have to collect positive intervals and the roots which are satisfying the inequality. So collect the answers. So x belongs to what? Positive intervals what? Minus infinity to minus 3. Minus infinity to minus 3. Open bracket because minus 3 is not included. And then minus 2 to 1 here. Union minus 2 to 1. Close bracket. Minus 2 is what? Minus 2 included. Minus 2 to 1, and then 3 to infinity. Union 3 to infinity. This is our answer. Take next example. Let's say we have to solve x minus 1 into x minus 3 into x minus 1 to the power 5 divided by, here let's say 4 divided by x minus 7 or x plus 7. This is let's say greater than or equal to 0. we have to solve this inequality. Now see here, we have to first make factorization of linear powers. So this is what, x minus 1 to the power 4. So base is what, already linear, so no need to factorize. This is also base, x minus 5 is also linear. This is also linear term, this is also linear term, so no need to factorize any term. Now find out roots of this. So if you put x minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 5 to the power 5 is equal to 0, and x plus 7 is equal to 0, we will get x equal to 1, 3, 5 and minus 7. These are the roots. Now mark these roots on number line. Minus 7, 1, 3, 5. This will be what? 1, and this is 3, and this is 5. Already each coefficient of x is already positive. So we have to make positive sign here. First, in the rightmost interval, it should be positive sign. After that, in this interval, what will be the sign? We have to check whether root is coming from which factor. So 5 is coming from this factor, and its power is what? Its power is odd. In case of odd power, sign will change. That means here it is plus sign, we have to make here minus sign. Now in this interval, sign will be according to the root, this one. See here, x equal to 3 came from this factor, and this factor has power 1, that is odd power, so sign will again change. Minus sign to here, it will be plus sign. Now in this interval, sign according to 1 is came from what? This factor. So it has 4 power, that is even number. In case of even number, sign will not change. Here it is plus, so here it will be again plus sign. Now in this interval, we have to make sign what? We have to make sign according to this one. So this x plus 7 power is what? 1. So it is odd power, so sign will change. So here it will be negative sign. So now make the wave. First we have to check whether which root satisfy the inequality and which are not. So 5 is what? Put x equal to 5 in the whole expression. It is left hand side becomes 0. So 0 greater than or equal to 0 is what? Is true. So this is included. 5 is what? Included. Now 3, check the 3. 3 came from this factor and it is in numerator. If you put x equal to 3, the whole expression becomes 0. Put everywhere x equal to 3, the whole expression left hand side becomes 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0 is true. So this is also included. Now put x equal to 1. 1 again came from numerator, and put x equal to 1 in the whole expression. Left hand side becomes 0. So it is also 0 greater than or equal to 0. It is true. So this will be included. Now check minus sign, minus 7. If you put minus 7, denominator becomes 0. Here put everywhere x equal to minus 7, but it is came from denominator. So minus 7 plus 7 becomes 0, and it is in denominator. Denominator cannot be 0. So this number will be excluded. Now make the sign. It is plus, so this one minus plus, then again plus, then again it is minus sign. We have to collect the which one greater than or equal to 0. That means positive interval and the roots which are satisfying the inequality. So collect the interval greater than or equal to 0. So x belongs to what? Minus 7 to 1 and minus 7 to minus 7 to here, minus 7 to 3, because one is already included, and this interval and this interval both are positive. So we can write directly answer as this one, because one is already included. Then union 5 to infinity. So this is our answer in this case. Now we will do next questions next class.